Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, Kosi is my name, so I don't know what I just did, but my name is Kosi. Welcome back to a new vlog. I know you guys are already seeing a difference, and for the new ones, the difference is my hair is dyed completely. But yeah, I'm so excited about that. So probably gonna talk about that. I did dye my hair yesterday, yeah, but now in this vlog I want it to be something like something normal to us. Yeah, something normal to us. We're just gonna run our errands throughout the week. So today is Sunday. I was supposed to do a deep clean, and then because I want to just like do a good Sunday reset, but there's some few things I got that I wanted to share. So the first thing I got were these lashes, the ones I have on right now, and they are cute. My install was a bit shitty. I think it's because of my long nails. I sincerely cannot grip the lashes and just like put it in there. I cannot do that sincerely. So yeah, we need a tweezer so bad. The next thing I want to talk about is I got a fridge guard and a TV guard. Was it yesterday? I got them yesterday. Why? Because I was just shook. I spoke to my brother and then he told me the way is like almost 3 people in the apartment. There was like a power surge. Nah, they lost like electronics zao zote zilichomeka. I was like, bruh, I don't want to be one of that. I said a fridge guard. Why? Because I'm getting a fridge. I've gotten a fridge. It's gonna be like delivered probably this week, so I'm so excited about that. I already even had let me show you guys something. I already, if you know me, I'm a planner. I already why do I look that way? Yeah, so I already, like, in my notebook I was writing a few things. Yeah, these are the few things I wrote. I already got fridge guard, so this is 2 glass jugs, and stuff like that. I'm really planning on. Hi guys, today is, I'm so excited, but today is Thursday. So I've just gotten a call. I'm from work right now, that's why I'm still like in my work clothes, but I just got a call from some guy, and guess who it is? I just got a call from Hotpoint, and they're telling me my fridge is supposed to be delivered. So it was like asking uko wapi, because we have this fridge you need to deliver from Hotpoint. And I was like, bro, I've waited for too long. I've waited for too damn long. It's been like a week, but now my fridge is gonna get here tomorrow. So I don't know what we're gonna do. We're probably gonna do cleaning today, or some guy was looking at me weird, and I'm like, kuna glass. I don't know why, but I'm so excited, guys. Yeah, I'm not even lying. I'm so excited. And this was like my outfit of the day. This was it. I had like this brown pants, this whatever, and pink. And I had like I'm so excited. So yeah, let me show you guys a few items I got today. I got this throw. I'm gonna use it as a throw blanket, but not like for my couch, but for my bed, or maybe for my couch. So I got it. It's in this color. I wanted something neutral, so I'm gonna just use it. It's like this big. It's this big, but it's just warm. It's just that big. And then the last thing I got I was in my shopping for my fridge era. So I might still add this on my, like, on a video I'm gonna do on like my fridge restock and stuff. But I got this ice case, the popsicle mold, and I got this one today. Why? Because I was like, and it has different shapes. So So I got this today because I was like, ilikuwa out of stock in KTS and ilikuwa pia out of stock in Yako, except for this one. The one that's because zimekuja in stock like weren't looking as cute. So I was like, I must get this one today. So I got this one today. It went for $2.95. Yeah, so anyways guys, I'm just so excited. I think I'm gonna clean my house. I'm gonna clean the space where I'm gonna put my Nini. And I got this fridge guard. I got it last week. I'm just like, I was so mentally prepared for like the Nini. So good morning guys. It's Friday the 1st of September. Happy new month. So my voice is crusty because I'm just from waking up, and I just got like a call almost around 6:40. I got a call from the Autopoint delivery, the Autopoint driver, and he said that it's gonna like want to come over in an hour. So I'm going to work and then I'm gonna ask for permission and then I'm gonna bring the guy over. Okay, I'm not bringing the guy, sounds weird, but I'm gonna bring the fridge over to its rightful place. And I already did cleaning. I want it to stay right there where the dispenser is at. So let me show you guys the outfit of the day as well as the scent of the day so that we can check. So this is the fit, and I'm late. This is the fit. I'm wearing turtleneck because it's cold. And then the scent of the day is 1 million. I'm using the Smart Collection one and I'm loving it, and it's run out like this. I got it yesterday. It ran out because I sprayed it all over the house because it smells nice, and that's just like that. So let's go guys before I'm too late, too little too late. Oh, back. So I'm gonna see you guys when like it gets like when the fridge gets here. So bye. Hi guys. I don't know. I think I might get a bit emotional, but I'm sorry, bear with me. So today is still Friday. I spoke to you guys in the morning, but now it's currently around 2:48, and I remember I told you guys in the morning that my fridge is gonna be delivered today. I remember I told you in the morning that my fridge is gonna be delivered today, and I don't know, just allow me because I feel cute. I think I look cute. Allow me to just speak kidogo about a few things. So the decision to get the fridge was so abrupt because it wasn't yes, it was abrupt because I was planning on like getting a certain type of fridge. I was planning to get a Samsung, but the plans didn't like go according to our, because I always wanted a second-hand fridge, so I wanted to buy it off someone. But the more, I don't know, just God works in mysterious ways. So the more I pushed this person and I was like, I need a fridge, should I like start making small payments? And they were just like, no. And I asked all for myself. I really do so much for myself, and to a point where I'm like, you cannot dare tell me what to do with my money, because you don't know the stress I go through, you don't know the pressure I go through, you don't know the things I go through to get my salary at the end of the month. So I'm really super proud of myself, and I know my parents are as well, and my siblings are, and my friends are, because where I am right now in life, I'm just super grateful to God, because at the end of the day, it's God that does everything for us. Let me just first start by acknowledging that. And I know we tend to not be as grateful and as much, but guys, we need to be so grateful, because even to buy like the smallest thing, to even like buy maybe a utensil, or even to buy a cup or a mug or anything, it's just not, it's just something so amazing. I know it just sounds so crazy, but my fridge got here, and I came with the guys from town, and we came here, and there was so, I'm one of those people who's so okay, I can't say I'm like the best person ever. I'm just so, like, I'm so considerate of stuff. I overthink stuff. So on our way here, tumefika, I'm like literally seeing the building, because I live on the fourth floor. So nikaambia these guys, I'm like, hatuna elevator, so nikaambia these guys na naishi juu. And then this one guy was like, it's okay, tutabeba tu. And I was like, should I look for someone awasaidie kubeba, ama nikamwambia ama mimi naweza beba? Akasema no, it's just too heavy, tutabeba tu. It was like, okay, but they brought me, like they brought the fridge all the way to where I stay, wakaingiza ndani. They had to like open it up from outside. But guys, I still cannot, I'm in shock. I am shocked. I still cannot believe. And it's right there. If you guys can see this thing right, where is it? Like this thing right here, this is it. And it's actually bigger than I expected, because I didn't see it before I bought it. I don't know, I'm just one of those people who's just like, you know, I saw the screenshot and I was like, frost free, tick. A big freezer, tick. So that's it. But it also has a cool pack for like up to 9 hours. But the guy told me nisiguza anything up to 8 hours. So I'm not gonna guza anything until tomorrow, because I haven't done like shopping. The only thing I have so far for my fridge is, I don't even have containers, because I want to like boil beans. Oh, I don't know. I'm just too excited, man. I'm just grateful. And I'm feeling a bit emotional today, because I'm like, God, you know, and I'm just so grateful to like see the work of my aunts. And yeah, so we have the fridge. I'm gonna do like an empty, should I do an empty tour like of the fridge? But it's a Von. Got it from Hot Point, and they really have amazing offers. It's not an ad or anything, but they really do have an amazing offers. I got the fridge, it had like a 10% off. So I got the fridge at 10% off, and yeah, so I also have like my warrant right here. It gives I don't know, imeandikwa how many, 12 months warranty, so it's like 1 year. But see, we got a fridge guard, so I think everything's gonna be okay. So anyways guys, that's just all I wanted to say. Apart from that, it's Friday, tumeanza the weekend. What am I planning? I have laundry, but sijui kama nitafanya kesho ama which other time I'm gonna do. Ukiona penye imekaa, it's literally, I don't know, I don't even have a use for the water dispenser anymore. I have to like maybe take it back home, or I just have to take it back home, because I decide at the end of the day. I'm just one of those people who is in love with tap water. So yeah. Yeah, so I seriously need to, I'm gonna make sure I do a video for you guys of how I how I stock my fridge. And I promise I'm not gonna be one of those people who just stocks juice and the juices and stuff. No, I'm gonna be food, man. I'm gonna have food in there, because that's like the main purpose. Because I don't want to be the kind of chick who like cooks every single day, so I'm gonna have food in there. Like that's why I got a fridge with like a big freezer, because I want stuff to be in there. So I'm gonna probably do shopping next week or over the weekend if I get time. I'm gonna go over the week. So good, like look, it's me. But then this wig is from Best Lady. Na nikikwambia price utashtuka, because I think I can really just make it look even cuter. But so far, so cute, so good. So yeah, anyways guys, I'm gonna talk to you guys maybe tomorrow or baadaye if I have anything to say. Yeah. And guys, I've mastered, look at that makeup, I've mastered the perfect, like the most perfect makeup look. I don't know, I've just, like, I think if I ever go outside, this is like the makeup look I'm going with. So I'm gonna see you guys later. I just want to I want to write a shopping list of stuff I need to get, and yeah, so that I can get it. Maybe I haven't even done my monthly shopping, so I want to write, like, because I want to get chicken, sausages, minced meat. I want to like get supply for the whole month, so that nisikuwe na stress at all. You guys have no idea how excited I am. Like, you guys have no idea how excited I am. Anyways, I just want to chill kidogo kidogo. And we're gonna talk baadaye, you guys. Anyways, I love you so much. And if you are a new subscriber, come on, subscribe. I promise you are doing you are actually doing something amazing by just subscribing, okay? So yeah. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Hold me up before and I feel like myself again. Blow me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Hold me up before and I feel like myself again. Blow me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I was sober for an hour, but I'm rolling off a bean now. The drugs, they give me confidence, I'm saying what I need now. The Xannies help me slow, the leaning help me speed now. Ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', I'm gon' hit it, it should beat now. Calling, yeah, she calling, your bitch got me on the speed now. Counting through the rest, I look at faces, don't see no smiles. It's grimy in the six, who can I trust, I never know now. Spiders extra dark, now my doggy in the dog pound. They say I'm on the come up, but I've been on the come down. See me doing good, they start to hate, that's how it goes now. I don't know why they mad at me, I always take that toe down. Driving through my city by myself, that's how I roll. Driving solo, I'm just swimming through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Roll me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Roll me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I remember being a kid, my teachers told me I wouldn't be shit. Diamonds in my pinky look like water, make me seasick. Never had no hustle, don't put me on some free shit. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday, around 11:37. I'm heading out to go do a few shopping. I'm gonna be meeting up with my brother and my sister-in-law, so we're gonna head there together. And I just did like a simple look. Yeah, let me show you guys my outfit of the day and the scent of the day. Okay, it's bad, but this is the outfit. I'm wearing this vintage shirt and my denim jeans, and then the scent of the day is gonna be Havana. I love the scent for sunny days. And then I'm gonna be carrying this bag, and I'm gonna show you guys the shoes in a few. So yeah. So guys, we are ready. Yeah, I'm just waiting for that call so that I can check the house. But oh, I didn't show you guys my slippers. Let me show you. That's how they look. And oh, my toes, that's what I painted my toes. So I have to carry like a few other things. So yeah. So whoa.
From 8 until late, I think about you. You're on my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stay. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to. If you go to church, if she ain't got a butt, fucking get a Toyota. Yeah, you just wanna party, you just wanna lap dance, you just wanna pop up on these guns like you the Batman. You just wanna pull up in the sun with your best friends. You don't wanna talk no more about it in the past tense. Get me out my zone, I'm just talking comfort, shy. I ain't give you nothing, you got comfort, shy. I got plenty things you ain't got run for, shy. Got that extra beneath and life with my body. Get to it, come out with you. Get to it. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me, you play me. get with me, stop it.
Gonna be the end of the vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Please make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, make sure you comment, tell me something down below, talk to me down below. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. So bye bye.